You've had time to think while you were snooping around with your tape measure.
I was not. For the record, I was not. It was this guy here.
All right.
That's all right. Because we've had that break, we've had a time to think about what we designed initially upstairs, and we found that for the room to work properly, we needed to change our true core framing that we originally ordered.
So you need new true core steel frames made?
We do, yes.
This might present a problem.
For him to come on site and be able to measure things and possibly change things to advance himself, I think we were all a bit dirty.
I was pretty annoyed because he knows that we're all in other states. We can't just run on site and measure up when we want to measure up. So for me, I just felt that, you know, that's an advantage he gets.
Nothing like an unfair advantage to put a few noses out of joint. So if he wants to change something, I think everyone will want a say in it.
When it comes to that, it's not up to me. It's up to your neighbours, mate.
Oh, neighbours?
Oh, you want to change the plans? You want to get new frames made by TrueCore? You need to go to a body corporate meeting, my friend.
Oh, Jesus. I'm sure that's going to go well.
It's going to go real well.
Really well. Yeah, I was a bit apprehensive about going to a body corp meeting.
Body corporate meeting in half an hour, Harry and Tash. Oh. Look,
He's a sneaky, sneaky, sneaky man.
Oh, Dirty Harry.
Dirty Harry.
Come up with this time.
That'll be interesting. Okay.
Body corporate meeting with Dirty Harry.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how excited Daniel will be.
Out the back of their house
Okay.
Yeah.
in about half an hour's time.
This guy just sort of distancing, right?
We'd heard whispers that they wanted to change their whole layout, which could give them an advantage.
So that's all done. We're going to put that back on there.
I'm just worried that they perhaps adding another room, and of course on auction day something like that is going to be a game changer. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello.
I'm thinking, uh-oh, he's had his tape measure out. It's a flat no from me straight away.
We have to just modify our existing true core steel frames. So I need approval.
Is it a modification or a complete change?
No, just a modification of the
Just a
existing
slight
room.
modification.
Okay.
Just the one wall, that's all we're doing. So we're moving a part of the wall out 400 to basically make sure that we can fit a queen-size bed in our room. We wanted to make sure that the bedroom furniture, bed, bedside tables, will fit with the doors opening with the cupboards, and it just didn't. So the true core wall needed to be modified.
So this originally, the wall was running right through here.
Yep.
What we're planning to do is just bring it out 400 so our wardrobe can now sit in.
That's your hallway. So you're going into your hallway, 400 mil,
Yep,
to create just a built-in robe system to go into that room.
correct.
Righto.
So all they are asking for is just to move one wall 400 mil to give enough room for the wardrobe doors to open.
I thought it was a whole top floor layout.
No.
Oh, OK, cool.
And is that what you were measuring when you were here on site, Harry?
Just wanted to measure to make sure that we can fit a double queen-size bed in, and that's all. No shifty, Harry, no dirty Harry. It's all.
If it was a complete change of your whole floor, then it might be a different story. But I mean, that little thing is minute. So I mean, I don't have an issue with that.
Yeah, I'm happy.
So yes from us.
All good. Thanks, guys.
Daniel, he didn't even give an answer in the body corporate. He reserved his opinion as it was clearly negative.
Yeah.
As majority rules in a body corporate, Daniel and Jade know they are outvoted.
Yeah. That's the way it goes. I mean, we just have to go with it and say yes and...
But they don't have to be happy about it.
Well, Harry. If he wins this week, I'll be fuming.
If they beat us, it'll be the wrong decision.
I don't want to lose to him because I've given him that space. I'm still a bit salty on Harry for coming on site while we weren't here, so it's going to take me a little bit to get over that.